Alright, Language Explorer, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, all together and all together. So, all together, all in the same place or as a group. We went there all together. Yeah, whoops. We travelled all together. Travelled all together to Spain. And it was managed all together in the same office. They organised everything all together. Those people all together organised the event. Yeah. Now, all together is 100% complete or total of something. I went there all together, ready for the show. It was altogether an amazing film. Wow. Altogether, the performance was very good. Yeah. When with all things considered, altogether, it was well managed and high quality. Yeah, altogether. We knew it had to be done all together at once, either now or never. Either now or never. It had to be done all together. Everything all at once. All at once, yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, all together in a group or a same place, and all together 100% total of something. So, can you use all together and all together in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.